Imagine a time when automobiles were a luxury, a time when speed and style began to intertwine. This was the world in which Maserati was born. In the heart of Italy, Bologna, in 1914, Alfieri Maserati and his brothers ignited a legacy, fueled by a passion for racing and an unwavering pursuit of engineering excellence. They began by crafting race cars, machines designed to defy the limits of speed and maneuverability. These weren't just vehicles. They were testaments to human ingenuity, embodiments of the Maserati brothers' vision. The iconic Trident logo, inspired by the Fountain of Neptune in Bologna, was born alongside the brand. A symbol of strength and power, it served as a constant reminder of Maserati's commitment to pushing boundaries, to melding technology with artistry, and to crafting vehicles that were as captivating to look at as they were exhilarating to drive. And so, the stage was set for a century of automotive excellence, marked by the Trident of Maserati. Maserati's heart has always raced, fueled by a passion for speed and performance. This passion was born on the racetracks, where Maserati first flexed its engineering muscles. The roaring 20s and 30s saw Maserati cars leaving their tire marks on many a victory podium. In the late 30s, Maserati's prowess was on full display at the Indianapolis 500. Two consecutive wins in 1939 and 1940 set the tone for Maserati's racing heritage. The victories were not just a testament to the brand's racing acumen, but a loud proclamation of its engineering excellence. The post-war era marked another significant chapter in Maserati's racing story. The mid-50s brought the advent of the 250F, a vehicle that would etch Maserati's name in the annals of Formula One history. Legendary driver Juan Manuel Fangio piloted the 250F to clinch the Formula One World Championship. This victory cemented Maserati's reputation as a formidable force on the racetrack. This illustrious racing heritage was not confined to the tracks. It influenced the very DNA of the Maserati brand, shaping its philosophy and design approach. The victories and the lessons learned on the racetrack were translated into the cars that graced the streets. The same passion for speed, the relentless pursuit of performance, and the meticulous attention to engineering details that powered Maserati's racing success found their way into every vehicle that bore the Trident logo. Maserati's racing heritage is not just a story of past glory, it is a legacy that continues to inspire. It shapes the present and future of the brand, influencing the design and engineering of every new model. It is a testament to Maserati's unwavering commitment to performance, style, and automotive excellence. From the racetracks to the streets, Maserati's racing heritage continues to shape its identity. It is a story that resonates with every rev of a Maserati engine, a tale that is etched into the very soul of every Maserati car. The Maserati Trident has graced an array of iconic models, each an embodiment of Italian craftsmanship and performance. One such model is the Maserati A6, a series launched in the late 40s. The A6, with its sleek design and robust engine, became a symbol of post-war optimism. It was a car that showcased the brand's ability to deliver performance and luxury in one elegant package. Next in line is the 3500 GT, introduced in the late 50s. This grand tourer was an instant success. Its combination of Italian design flair and high-speed performance established Maserati as a serious contender in the luxury car market. The 3500 GT helped to pave the way for Maserati's future success. Then came the Ghibli, a model name that Maserati would revisit in later years. The original Ghibli, a two-door, two-seater sports car, was introduced in the late 60s. With its low, sleek lines and powerful V8 engine, the Ghibli was a car that stood out in its era and continues to turn heads today. The Quattroporte, a name that translates to four doors, is another iconic Maserati model. First introduced in the early 60s, the Quattroporte was a pioneer in the luxury sports sedan market. It combined the performance of a sports car with the comfort and convenience of a luxury sedan, setting a new standard for the industry. Last, but certainly not least, we have the Gran Turismo. Launched in the late 2000s, the Gran Turismo is a masterclass in design and performance. With its elegant curves, powerful engine, and luxurious interior, it's a car that embodies everything Maserati stands for. These models have not just redefined luxury, but also set new standards for performance and design. Each of these Maseratis, from the A6 to the Gran Turismo, has left an indelible mark on the automotive world. They are a testament to Maserati's commitment to blending Italian craftsmanship with high-performance engineering. As the new millennium dawned, Maserati continued to push boundaries, marrying tradition with innovation. This era saw the introduction of groundbreaking models that showcased the brand's unwavering commitment to excellence and its capacity to adapt to the changing times. Enter the Levante, Maserati's first foray into the world of sport utility vehicles. Launched in 2016, this model broke new ground for the brand, combining versatility and performance with the luxury and elegance that Maserati is known for. The Levante is more than just a vehicle. It's a testament to the brand's ability to innovate while staying true to its heritage. Then, fast forward to 2020, Maserati revealed the MC20, a super sports car representing the brand's return to the racing world. With its sleek design, powerful V6 engine, and a top speed of over 200 miles per hour, the MC20 is a marvel of modern engineering. It's a reminder of Maserati's racing roots, and a symbol of the brand's ongoing commitment to high-performance vehicles. But Maserati's evolution in the 21st century isn't just about introducing new models. It's also about looking towards the future. The brand has announced plans for electrification, with a commitment to offering electric versions of all its models by the end of 2025. This move shows Maserati's dedication to sustainable mobility without compromising on performance or luxury. In the same vein, Maserati is also embracing digital innovation, incorporating advanced technology into its vehicles to enhance the driving experience. From state-of-the-art infotainment systems to cutting-edge safety features, Maserati is merging the old with the new, the classic with the contemporary. As we move further into the 21st century, Maserati continues to evolve, proving that tradition and innovation can coexist beautifully. With every new model, every technological advancement, Maserati is not just crafting cars, it's crafting experiences, creating a blend of luxury, performance, and Italian craftsmanship that is uniquely its own. In a rapidly changing world, Maserati remains steadfast in its commitment to luxury, performance, and Italian craftsmanship. To own a Maserati is to join an exclusive club, a lifestyle defined by elegance, power, and heritage. What does it mean to live the Maserati lifestyle? It's a question that goes beyond the mechanics of a car. It's about a culture, an ethos that has been meticulously crafted over a century. When you slide behind the wheel of a Maserati, you are embracing a legacy of Italian artistry and precision engineering. It's a subtle nod to the brand's rich heritage, a heritage steeped in racing prowess and engineering excellence. But more than that, it's about embracing a lifestyle that values elegance and power. The Maserati lifestyle is one of exclusivity, a world where the discerning few can truly appreciate the blend of Italian flair and engineering prowess. It's about understanding the value of a finely crafted machine, not just as a means of transportation, but as a work of art. Maserati is more than just a car manufacturer, it's a cultural icon. It's a brand that has made its mark in popular culture, from the silver screen to the world's most prestigious racing circuits. The Trident logo is not just a symbol of strength and power, but a badge of honor worn by those who appreciate the finer things in life. But at its heart, the Maserati lifestyle is about the driver experience. It's about the feeling of power as you press the accelerator, the thrill of the open road, and the sound of the engine as it roars to life. It's about the joy of driving, a joy that is magnified when you are behind the wheel of a car that embodies elegance and performance. So what does it mean to live the Maserati lifestyle? It means to embrace a world of luxury and performance, to be part of an exclusive club that values heritage, and to appreciate the artistry of Italian engineering. A Maserati is not just a car, it's a statement, a way of life, a testament to a century of Italian excellence. From its humble beginnings in Bologna to its status as a global luxury icon, Maserati's journey is a testament to the power of passion, innovation, and design. Born from a fervor for racing and technical excellence, Maserati has etched its name into the annals of automotive history. Its legacy, embodied in iconic models like the Quattroporte, Ghibli, Levante, and Gran Turismo, is a testament to the brand's unwavering commitment to blending opulence with performance. As we navigated through the 21st century, Maserati embraced the future, integrating cutting-edge technology while preserving its quintessential Italian flair. But owning a Maserati is more than just driving a car. It's an immersion into a lifestyle, an acceptance of a legacy, and an induction into an exclusive automotive culture. As we steer into the future, the Trident of Maserati continues to stand as a beacon of Italian craftsmanship, luxury, and performance.